Do you have an RZR Pro with 4 doors? Well, DS18 today presents to you the perfect back door panel solution. Our new RZR Pro BD8. Our RZR Pro BD8 comes empty or loaded, so you can choose the perfect setup for your side-by-side. These door panels giving you factory fitment for your RZR Pro are also made with the best polyethylene material, making them completely waterproof to face any element. Remember, you can pair these back door panels with our RZR Pro FD8, the front door panels, and they are also capable of housing an 8-inch speaker. Our loaded model comes with the NXL-IQ8 in black, giving you the perfect sound for your side-by-side, and also bringing you the perfect amount of lighting to light up the trails. So if you have a 4-door for RZR Pro from 2020 to 2024, here we bring you the best solution in the market for your back doors. This is Luis with DS18. Make sure you check these out, and we like it loud.